I'm in Poland. I've just come here for a workshop this coming weekend, but I've been having a couple of days with Magdalena and Kinga, who have been organizing my work here for many years. And we've had a deep couple of days to look over the 50 or so workshops that we've done here over the last 15, 16 years. And one of the things that became apparent to me was that this is a good moment to give back. So all the money from this coming workshop, like all my fees, are going to go back to Poland. I'm just going to give all that money to good causes in Poland. I'm not going to take it home. And I thought it was worth saying that publicly, because we were having a very deep conversation around the fire last night and talking about what's going on in the world and how I was feeling, how many things need to change, and one bit that I need to change is the model in which I've been working. And to be honest, I don't know quite how to do that, but I had the sense of it, I had the vision of it. And at least one practical step I can make right now is to acknowledge the ending of this phase that's been going on for 16 years of Magdalena and Kinga organizing my work, and then Isa and Haga taking over, and this first workshop with them. It seems like a good moment to give back. So I've had so many deep experiences in Poland, and it was really something to sit around the fire with the stars over my head, our heads, put my hands on the ground, and just know that this time is a good time to give back. So I hope I see you this weekend, if not somewhere else down the road. I hope you're doing okay in these crazy times, and thank God for the dance.